Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the airbox on a Volkswagen Jetta or Golf, the 1.9 TDI. This is the 5th generation, so this should cover from 2005 up the years, and stay with us if you have that kind of airbox. Ours is cracked on the bottom. We even have the headlight, we can show you right there, so we need to replace this one. Stay with us to see how we're going to remove it and how we're going to replace it. Thank you for watching us. Okay guys, so right now, right here, there is one bolt with a T30 that we need to remove. That's pretty inconvenient place, but it's only one bolt that we will need to remove in order to loosen the whole box. Okay, you see, if you have the cover here, it's fine, you can just pop it open, it's super simple. And now you see what else we need to do. After that, you need to pull the bolt out, and you need to grab it with your fingers, and right there, okay, that clamp, it needs to get out of the way, so you need to use big pliers to release the clamp, and you can actually even leave the bolt if you want to. But now we need to unhook the sensor. So if you want to do that, you need to pry it like that up, okay, as you can see, and it releases it. That's the MAP sensor right here. And then we need to remove that vacuum hose right here. So you need to pull it out of the airbox. Just don't forget to install it back on. And now you need to grab it and you need to pull it. It has a few rubber bushings that hold it down. Okay, so you can see how it's already moving up. One is released, I think there is 2 or 3 holding all together. And okay, and you can pull it out. You need to make sure that you don't get the hoses in the way. Okay, you need to pull it out. That hole's there, and okay, you can see the airbox is out of there now. So that's how simple you remove it and replace it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.